In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic versus fixed date and time in PowerPoint footer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a date or timestamp in your slides and decide whether it should stay the same forever or update itself automatically each time the presentation is opened. Start by opening PowerPoint and heading to the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the text group, choose Header and Footer. This opens the dialog that controls what appears in the footer area of your slides, including dates, times, and other text. We'll focus specifically on the Date and Time option. First, make sure Date and Time is checked. This tells PowerPoint that you want a date or time to appear in the slide footer. Once that box is selected, you'll see two ways to control how the date or time behaves. If you want a date or time that never changes, choose Fixed. In the field provided, type exactly what you want to see, such as a specific meeting date, a project milestone, or the exact time a report was finalized. Think of this as a label you write once. It will not change when you reopen the file tomorrow, send it to a colleague, or present on another computer. This is great for archival decks, sign-off packages, or any situation where you must preserve the original timestamp for version control. If you want the date or time to update automatically, choose Update Automatically. Then select whether you'd like Date Only, Time Only, or Date and Time. With this setting, PowerPoint reads your computer's clock every time the presentation is opened, so the stamp reflects the current moment. It's ideal for recurring briefings, daily stand-ups, or live sessions where viewers expect to see today's date or the current time. The format typically follows your system's regional settings, so it should look familiar and consistent with your locale. A quick tip for choosing between them. Pick Fixed when accuracy to a past moment matters, like documenting when a proposal was issued. Pick Update Automatically when freshness matters, like showing attendees they're looking at the latest version. Also remember, the date or time appears in the slide's footer area. So choose a theme or slide layout where the footer is visible and unobstructed by other content. That's it. You've enabled the footer, chosen date and time, and selected either a fixed stamp that never changes or a dynamic one that updates itself. With these options, your slides can clearly communicate either a definitive timestamp or a live, always current marker, whichever best serves your presentation's purpose.